Alright, if you have a Lenovo ThinkPad, this is a P43s, and you're missing some drivers in the device manager. If you're wondering how you get there, you can either right click or two finger click the start menu, and you see the device manager there. It'll bring up this window. Basically, to get the drivers, we're going to go to Lenovo.com. You don't need to put all this extra stuff, just Lenovo.com. Then you'll go to support over here. Okay, usually there's going to be the chipset driver, but just in case, we'll install a few others just to see. All right, so once you go to support, there'll be technical support here. Go to that, select PC. Okay, once you do that, you can either have it detect or you can browse for products. So we'll go to browse. We'll go to laptops. We know it's a P43s, so the series is P series. So we just type in P space and then type in series. It'll auto have this. It's a ThinkPad, so we pick P series ThinkPad. Okay, sub series, it's the 43s, so we'll type 43s there, and you can see there's only one 43s, so we'll go to there. All right, then we'll go ahead and go to drivers and software. In drivers and software, we're going to go to manual update and select drivers. Okay, so you can pick the operating system, but basically the stuff that I download is the BIOS, UEFI BIOS. So I did the Windows Update Utility, and we downloaded that one. When you click download, it's gonna just ask you where you want to save it, or it will just save it to your default save location. So I already downloaded that, so we're gonna go to the other ones. Okay, so I downloaded that. We also downloaded in the motherboard and devices. In here, you can see where's the here Intel chipset device. We have to click this little arrow so we can see the downloads, and then here's the chipset device software. So we downloaded that one. Okay, back to the manual driver list. All right, we also downloaded, because a lot of times the ThinkPads, they have their own power management software, so we went to the power management, and then we downloaded the power management driver here, so we downloaded that one. All right, and then we also downloaded, let's see here, so we downloaded the ThinkVantage technology one. We probably don't need this one, but there's Lenovo system update, so we downloaded that. Go back, and we downloaded in the USB one, I think. Did I download one of these? The Thunderbolt firmware update, since it said critical. All right, so after you download all of those, you'll see we have these files here. Okay, so I'm just going to go one by one, and then I'll let you know if it gets rid of these drivers. Just double click it or click and then press enter. It'll pop up these things. Just say yes, and then just go through the install. So this is the BIOS update, so this one will take a while. I'm just going to go yes, accept, and next, and next. All right, and we'll just install it. Install. All right, and I'll see you guys when this is done. Oh, I guess it already finished, so finish. And you can see update ThinkPad BIOS. We'll say next. Okay, and you can see it's the same. Okay, so we already have the latest BIOS, it looks like, so we'll just close that, and we'll toss that in the recycling. All right, oh, I guess it's still open, so, oh, there we go. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so again, yes. Okay, English. This is the chipset driver. So I'm thinking that this will get rid of all of them, but we'll see. So we'll say install, next, install. Okay. And we should see if this actually gets rid of those missing drivers or not. It won't let me put that back on top. Oh, I can't click it. I guess I just have to wait till it finishes. All right, you can see it made the screen just flash. Oh, only one of them disappeared. So, oh, two of them disappeared. Is the third one going to disappear? That's the base system device driver. Waiting for that last one. It's still going, as you can see. Come on. And there you go. The last one's gone. So if you want, you can install all the other drivers, but it looks like that took care of it like I thought. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. I guess I'll see about installing the other ones, but they're probably not needed. The power management one, if you want, maybe that one install. It'll show a little battery thing at the bottom differently if you want that. So we'll also do this. Here's the power management one. Okay, accept, next, and next to install and install. Right? Oh, it says no devices. So maybe it didn't want the power management one. That's weird. Okay, what else? We have this one. Updates catalog. I don't think we really need that one either, but you can install that. Thunderbolt firmware. Alright. And we'll install and install. Let's see if that one goes through. Finish. I don't know if anything changed. Usually if some drivers change, this will refresh itself, the device manager, and nothing really happened. Oh, it's still running. Okay, I guess we'll just wait. But let's go ahead and do this one, the Lenovo system update. So, oh, okay. This one says for Thunderbolt, make sure that AC adapter, okay. Well, I guess I have to plug in the charger. Does it want the charger? Is that what's going on here? Make sure AC adapter is plugged in and it's connected to the outlet. So I'll plug that in. Okay. All right. And then make sure charged battery pack is installed. Save all open stuff. All right. It says it will restart after. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the updates one first then. We'll do that one. Okay. This is the Lenovo system update one, which we also don't need, but I'll just install it anyways. Finished. And that one should be done. So we can toss that. Alright, so yeah, do not unplug the Type-C or Thunderbolt device and it'll update. So we'll say yes. And we'll just wait. Do not power off during an update. Okay. And yes to continue. So just let this do its thing. Don't touch anything else. Well, I guess we have to go through here first. Next. Alright, it's flashing the firmware, so let it do its thing. Alright, you can see how long it takes. Alright, flashing the firmware. Alright, and you saw it updated a driver, so the device manager actually was flashing here. The screen is going on and off on its own, and it's restarting on its own. So there you go. That's pretty much it. That's the last one that we're updating and running, and we should be good. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Again, you only really needed the chipset driver if you just wanted to make sure to get all those unknown devices or whatever filled out. But that's pretty much it. Again, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright? Other than that, I also have another channel called It's Been Reviewed and More. Same profile picture, but zoomed in a bit. If you could subscribe to that one, if you don't really care to watch my review videos, yeah, don't turn on that bell thing, and then that should help me anyways. Alright, thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.